और सीजीएल 2024 प्री में वन वर्ड. A person who likes to argue about anything contentious. She is proficient in speaking many languages, multilingual, into language, bilingual. A short, interesting story about a real person or event, anecdote. One who doesn't show response to good or bad, stoic. Morbid compulsion to consume alcohol continuously, dipsomania. That cannot be reached, inaccessible. An order of law requiring people to remain in order curfew. Government by officials, bureaucracy. A person who sells and arranges cut flowers, florist. A small group of people who spend their time together and do not welcome other people into their group. Clique. A place where fruit trees are grown, orchard. An often imagined place or state of utter perfection and happiness, utopia. Fear of closed spaces, claustrophobia. A short section time that leads to explain the main part forward. Exclusive circle of people with a common purpose, click. An instrument for viewing distant object in space, telescope. Awkward in movement or manner, clumsy. A person who is trained to travel in a spacecraft, astronaut. One who opposes others, antagonist. Failing to give proper care and attention, lacks. That which cannot be conquered, invincible. A false idea or belief, fallacy, never able to die, immortal. The list of subjects to be discussed at a meeting, agenda, incapable of being defeated, invincible. A place where birds are kept, aviary, cannot be corrected, incorrigible. One who eats a lot, glutton. A large flat area surrounded by seats used for sports or entertainment arena. A period of 10 years decade. One who speaks less in a forum, reticent. An important person who represents his or her country in foreign country, ambassador. A person who is inclined to see the roast. An important person who represents his country in a foreign country, ambassador. A person who is inclined to see the worst aspect of things, pessimist. The study of coins and numismatics. High, shrill, piercing cry, screech. The food is not fresh, stale. The workers received a sum for service they rendered remuneration. A thing to eat edible. A person who deceives others by pretending to be someone else, impostor. Amusing and true stories, anecdotes. Humor that describes the weaknesses of the other person's satire. One who eats the flesh of his own species, cannibal. Having unlimited power, omnipotent. A short stay that you make while on a longer journey, stop over. Much more than usual or expected, exceeding. A person who performs magic to entertain people, magician. A person who is captive for fulfillment of demands of money or conditions, hostage. One who tends to look at the dark side of things, pessimist. The statistical study of human population demography. Undue favor to one's own relative during the hiring process, nepotism. A continuing unpleasant situation created when one problem causes another problem that then makes the first problem worse, vicious cycle. An utter state of confusion, chaos, lack of interest, enthusiasm or concern, apathy. A person who has supreme power or authority, sovereign. The study of ancient things such as art, graves, ruin, etc., archaeology. Speaking disrespectfully about a sacred or religious thing, blasphemy. A thing that can be easily carried by hands, portable. That evening time when the sun has just set and it is almost dark, dusk. A place to park aeroplanes, hangar. A person who does not believe God, atheist. Anything pertaining to cats, feline. Dealing with things in practical and sensible way, pragmatic. That which is no longer in existing. things that can be seen and touched, tangible. Fear of snakes, ophidiophobia. A performer's first public appearance, debut.